Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use different shooting methods in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and go to the camera settings here and scroll down. You will find the shooting methods, and here you will have another shooting method here, show palm. Okay, if it is turned on, that means you can show your palm to camera to automatically take a picture. See, uh, so this is for taking selfie. Okay, so I am showing my palm. Yes, camera is took a picture. Okay, see, so in this way you can easily use this shooting method. Okay, you have also another shooting method. Go to the same settings and go to shooting methods, and here floating shutter button is available. So if you turn on this, you will have extra shooting, um, that is capture shutter button. Okay, so this is a extra capture shutter button. If you click on it, you will have the photo captured, and go to again the same settings and go to shooting methods, and here you will have press volume buttons too. Okay, so if you press volume button, it will take a picture or zoom in or out, and control sound volume. Okay, so if you set to the first one, what will happen, even if you press volume up button, it will take a picture. Okay, see here. So in these three methods, you can uh, you, you can shoot any picture. Okay, again I go to the same settings, and here I see zoom in or out for volume buttons. Press volume buttons. So now pressing volume button will have zoom function. Okay, see here. Wow, very nice. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.